If your car audio system sounds dull, muffled, or like all the details are missing no matter how loud you turn it up, chances are your highs are the problem. Factory tweeters are weak, cheap, and often non-existent, and even some aftermarket setups still lack that crisp sparkle that makes music feel alive. Today's video solves that exact problem because I'm breaking down the top 5 best budget car tweeters. I will start from number 5 and work our way up to the absolute best option. There's genuinely something for everyone on this list. Whether you want smooth clarity, aggressive volume, or clean daily listening. So stay with me till the end. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals on all these tweeters. And drop a comment letting me know which one you're running or planning to buy. Coming in at number 5 is the Timpano TPT ST2 Slim Super Tweeter, and this one surprised me in a good way. What I love most about this tweeter is how much sound it produces despite its slim, low-profile design. If you're tight on space or dealing with factory locations that don't allow bulky tweeters, this tweeter is a lifesaver. Performance-wise, the highs are sharp, lively, and very forward, which instantly wakes up any system that feels flat. It adds that missing bite to vocals and percussion without completely overpowering the rest of your speakers when tuned properly. This tweeter is best for listeners who want louder, more energetic highs on a budget and need something that fits easily. The only real shortcoming is that it can sound a bit aggressive if you don't dial it in correctly, but once tuned, it's absolutely worth it for the price. At number 4, we have the Rockford Fosgate Prime R1TS Tweeter Kit. And this one is all about balance and refinement. What I love most here is how clean and controlled the sound feels, especially compared to more shouty budget tweeters. The highs are crisp without being harsh, and they blend beautifully with mid-range speakers, making your system sound more complete rather than just louder. Performance-wise, these tweeters shine when it comes to clarity at moderate to high volumes, and they don't fatigue your ears during long drives. This makes them perfect for daily drivers who want better sound quality without excessive loudness. They're best for people who value smooth, accurate highs over pure volume. The downside is that they won't get as loud as super tweeters, but for clean everyday listening, they're still a solid choice. And taking the number 3 spot is the DS18 Pro TWX1 Aluminum Super Bullet Tweeter. And this one brings serious attitude. What I love most about this tweeter is its raw output and unmistakable presence. The highs are loud, bold, and extremely detailed, cutting through road noise and bass-heavy systems with ease. In terms of performance, this tweeter excels when you want your music to sound energetic and alive, especially in systems with subwoofers that tend to drown out factory highs. It gives vocals that upfront edge and makes snares and cymbals snap hard. This tweeter is best for listeners who love loud music and want their highs to be heard clearly even at high volume. The shortcoming here is that it's not the smoothest option for relaxed listening, but if excitement is your goal, it's more than worth it. At number 2, we've got the PRV Audio TW35PD Ti 4-car audio bullet tweeters, and these are absolute monsters for the money. What I love most about these tweeters is how effortlessly loud they get while still maintaining impressive clarity and control. The highs are strong, clean, and commanding, making them perfect for systems that push serious power without sounding piercing. Performance-wise, they shine in high-output setups where other tweeters would struggle or distort, and they even hold up great on longer listening sessions without fatiguing your ears. These tweeters give your system a professional competition-style sound that feels powerful and authoritative, especially when paired with mid-range drivers that need help cutting through. They're best for enthusiasts building loud systems who still want clear, defined highs that cut through everything else going on in your music. The only downside is that they can be overkill for smaller systems or casual listeners who prefer laid-back sound. But if you want volume and presence that doesn't compromise definition, they're absolutely worth it. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Skar Audio TWS01 Neodymium Silk Dome Tweeters. And these tweeters are hands down my favorite budget tweeters on this list. What I love most about them is how smooth, natural, and detailed the highs sound. They never come off harsh or shouty, even when the volume gets turned up. Performance-wise, they excel at reproducing vocals, instruments, and subtle soundstage detail that most budget tweeters simply gloss over. These tweeters have a refined character that actually makes your entire system feel more composed and musical rather than just louder. They bring out the nuance in acoustic tracks and give electronic music sparkle without causing listener fatigue. These tweeters are best for listeners who want high-quality sound with a balanced premium feel rather than extreme loudness. And they pair beautifully with well-tuned crossovers or component systems where clarity is king. The only shortcoming is that they're not the loudest option here if your goal is sheer volume. But the exceptional sound quality and overall musicality more than make up for it, which is why they earn the top spot. Before we wrap this up, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future reviews, comparisons, and install tips. Also, remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all these tweeters. And leave a comment below, sharing your experience or asking questions about any of them. Now for my final recommendations. The Timpano TPT ST2 Slim Super Tweeter is a great choice if you need a compact tweeter that delivers loud, exciting highs without breaking the bank. It's ideal for space-limited installs where you still want strong performance. The Rockford Fosgate Prime R1TS is perfect for daily drivers who want clean, smooth highs that blend naturally with factory or aftermarket speakers. It's the right pick if sound quality matters more than sheer loudness. The DS18 Pro TWX1 is an excellent option for those who want aggressive, attention-grabbing highs that bring energy to bass-heavy systems. It's built for listeners who like their music bold and upfront. The PRV Audio TW350 Ti4 is best for high-output systems where volume and clarity are equally important. If you want your highs to dominate without distortion, this one delivers. And the Skar Audio TWS01 is my top recommendation for anyone seeking smooth, detailed, and refined sound on a budget. It's the best all-around tweeter here for balanced, high-quality listening. Choosing budget tweeters starts with understanding what kind of sound you want from your system. If you prefer smooth, relaxed listening, look for silk dome tweeters that deliver clean highs without harshness. For louder, more aggressive systems, bullet or super tweeters are better at cutting through bass and road noise. Pay attention to power handling so the tweeter can match your amplifier without distortion. Sensitivity also matters since higher sensitivity means louder sound with less power. Finally, consider your install space and tuning options because even a great budget tweeter will only sound its best when properly installed and adjusted. Proper mounting angle, secure placement, and correct crossover settings all play a huge role in reducing harshness and improving overall sound balance. Remember to check the links in the description below for the best deals on the tweeters we have featured today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.